Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on passcode on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up settings. Then scroll down until you find Face ID and passcode. Then scroll down again, and right here you can easily find Turn Passcode On. Just tap on that. Then enter a passcode. I strongly recommend you not to use too obvious passcodes like 11111 or any kind of passcodes that can be easily guessed. So I'm gonna enter that passcode. It asks you to enter it 2 times to verify it, and after that it asks you to enter your Apple ID password. And once you did that, just hit add sign in, and that's it. I have just set new passcode on my device. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.